Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at a red-bellied woodpecker. Beautiful bird. Started coming to our feeder a couple of days ago and didn't know what kind of bird it was. I knew it was a woodpecker, but I'd never heard of a red-bellied woodpecker. So hopefully, he comes down to the feeder where we can get a closer view of him. But definitely a beautiful bird. Got a lot of birds coming to our feeders. We're seeing lots of dark-eyed juncos and cardinals and blue jays. And yesterday we saw what might be a Cooper's hawk, probably looking for some birds to hunt. Sitting up in our tree, and then it promptly flew away once I did get a chance to show Alex and Hannah, so they were excited to see that. Let's see, let's go back up and see Mr. Woodpecker. He kind of just likes to hang out up there, and kind of waiting for the feeder to become available. There, he's still up there, a little bit higher. There he is, hiding. And we'll film a little bit later here. We'll see if he comes down to the feeder, then we'll feed him. Hopefully Tasha doesn't scare him away. Oh, I'm gonna get a better view of him.